Hello everyone, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. This is just a video I'm doing right now. Just doing a video on my personal computer. I usually do Photoshop and stuff, but I thought I'd put it up anyway. Just a personal look at what computer I've got. I've got 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RAM at 2666. I've got an i5 8600K overclocked to 4.7 gigahertz stable. Motherboard is an ASRock Extreme 4 motherboard, Z370 motherboard. It's got a GTX 1070 Strix Edition. It's got 512 gig M.2 NVMe for boot. It's got a Corsair IO all-in-one. It's got 1 terabyte hard drive behind here for storage for my backups. Then I've got another SSD in the back, which is a Samsung 850 Evo. That is for all my games. But yeah, as you can see, the card, it lights up and stuff. If I do the there we go, the RGB. As you can see, look at it, it's just boom, 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 boom. So, yeah, random, so, now that one, boom. Sorry, I'm fighting a bit of a cold. I like to keep it on red because, as you can see, I've got a red and white color scheme. Graphics card. I haven't got a clue what is wrong with the software. For some reason, it does not like doing one static color. I don't know why. It could be because I'm always applying overclocks when I'm doing benchmarks and stuff like that. Perhaps that could be it. Yeah. So I mean. Have a look at my monitor. It's a 32 inch curved monitor from Asus. I've got a Logitech 1080p HD camera. I've got a SteelSeries keyboard. I've got this by here, which is an Aorus M2 gaming mouse. My speaker system is that. It's a Thrust. This is 190 watts of pure music power. I just keep the bass up a little when I'm playing games, give it better bass obviously. But yeah, type of games I play is GTA, I play Car Mechanic Simulator, I play Rome Total War, which is one of my favourites. I've played every single Rome Total War. I play Game of Thrones on the PC, play World of Warships, World of Warplanes. There's a lot of games I play, like Sleeping Dogs and stuff like that. So yeah, please excuse me for a minute, I need to adjust this. My phone's on a tripod. But yeah, I thought I'd do this video, I mean, because at the moment I'm running out of ideas of what to do. But the next thing I will be finishing is my Back to Basics playlist. Go check that out. It's got CPU installation, CPU cooler installation. So yeah, I've also got a video called thermal paste installation. So yeah, I'm gonna continue doing that now. Next video will be motherboard installation. I'm going to show you how to put in the standoffs and all that stuff, and put the motherboard in, IO shield and stuff like that. But yeah, this is just a video into my PC and stuff, just showing you what it's about. This is my main computer. It's the one I do all my editing for my videos. I mean, I'm not an expert editor, but still, I try my best for it. I've gotten a lot better doing it. But yeah, that's just a video on my personal computer, me talking about it and stuff, telling me what games I play and all that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All my links for Instagram, Twitch, Twitter, Facebook will be in the description. Comment below, like, dislike, anything like that. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, please. If you didn't, just give me a thumbs down. I'm not bothered. But yeah, I just thought I'd do this video quickly to show you my personal rig, what I do my videos on. At the moment, I'm using my mobile to record because I've literally just got a new camera, which is what's it called? Fujifilm 14 megapixel camera. It's got zoom in and stuff like that. It's got a flash and all that. I just bought this now. I need to wait for my micro SD card come back so I can start doing videos on this, which I'm going to start doing in 1080p. I'm going to upscale it then from what on here, which is 720. I'm going to upscale it to 1080p. I'll be able to do more stabilization with this on my tripod, better than I'll do on my mobile. But yeah, that's my new camera. Only cost me £30. It's not bad, especially, I mean, just for my first camera. I can start doing stuff with it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, she out.